If you're tired of struggling to lift your motorcycle for maintenance, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Orion Motor Tech Lift. Let's kick things off with the Orion Motor Tech Motorcycle Lift. Priced at $90.35, its 1100 lb capacity and wide deck immediately caught my eye. If you want reliable support for your bike, this is worth a serious look. That means you can comfortably work on your bike without straining your back. Plus, the 9.1 x 14.6 wide deck is all about stability, preventing any tipping or shifting while you're in the zone. This is crucial when you're using tools and trying to focus on the job at hand. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A solid lift can be the difference between a smooth repair session and a frustrating one. The heavy-duty steel construction adds to its durability, boasting a long-lasting design that can withstand the wear and tear of frequent use. Some 200-plus buyers in the last month seem to agree, and while it's brand new on the market with no ratings yet, its popularity is definitely growing. Now, some people complained about the lack of detailed instructions. Here's the thing though, if you're a DIY enthusiast, a little trial and error can lead to a satisfying experience, plus it's pretty intuitive once you get the hang of it. This is perfect for you if you're someone who frequently works on various types of motorcycles and wants a dependable lift. Skip this one if you're looking for something portable since it's a bit heavier. For the price, you're getting solid value. Now, if the lack of instructions in the Orion lift was a concern for you, the next one takes a completely different approach with more user guidance. Product number 2, Extreme Max Jack. Next up is the Extreme Max 5001.5044 scissors jack, retailing at $91.68. This one also lifts up to 1,100 pounds, but what really grabbed my attention is its maximum height of 14 inches. If you're looking for ease without sacrificing safety, this might just be your match. What makes the Extreme Max stand out is its simple hand operation. You can use a 7/8 socket or a wrench for lifting, which gives you control without straining. The rubber padding on the platform is another thoughtful detail, ensuring your bike doesn't shift during the lifting process. With its heavy-duty steel frame, you're looking at a jack that's built to last, making it a great investment for regular maintenance. Here's why this matters for you. The 14-inch maximum height is practical for most repairs, while the 1,000 lb capacity is suitable for standard motorcycles but won't handle trikes. Given that it's already received decent traction with over 50 units sold lately, it seems to be a solid choice for many. However, some users pointed out that it doesn't lift trikes, which could be a deal-breaker if you own one. But if you only need it for regular bikes, that's really not an issue. This is a great pick if you need a straightforward, reliable jack that won't break the bank. Skip it if you own a trike or need something that lifts higher. The quality-to-price ratio is definitely commendable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, CXR-CY Lift Jack. The CXR-CY 1200 lbs motorcycle lift is up next, priced at $103.30. This jack caught my eye with its 1200 lb capacity and upgraded features. If you're after something that can handle a bit more weight, this one deserves your attention. The solid iron structure not only supports heavy motorcycles, but also comes with a ratchet wrench that makes lifting feel like a breeze. With a lifting range from 4.13 inches to a hefty 14.96 inches, it accommodates a variety of bikes, including ATVs and dirt bikes. The thickened rubber pad is a huge plus, protecting your motorcycle's finish while providing a secure grip. It's built for multiple applications, whether you're in a garage or at a racetrack. Versatility at its best. Here's why this matters for you. The additional lifting height allows for more comfortable access to the underbelly of your bike, which is a big deal when you're doing maintenance. Plus, it's already attracted 50 buyers this month, indicating that it's gaining popularity quickly. On the downside, some reviews mention that it can be a bit bulky, which could be a hassle for storage. But if you're using it frequently, that shouldn't deter you at all. This is perfect if you're a serious rider with multiple types of vehicles to maintain. Skip this if you prefer a lightweight option for occasional use. Honestly, it's a solid investment for your garage. Now, if you want something a little more compact, the next jack might be just what you're looking for. Product number 4, GAOLLY Lift Jack. Next up is the GAOLLY Motorcycle Lift Scissor Jack, priced at just $72.31. With a capacity of 1,200 pounds and a maximum height of 14.76 inches, this one is a solid choice for those who want reliability without spending a fortune. If budget is a concern but you still need a sturdy jack, this could be it. The extra-wide platform offers a larger contact area, which means better stability when lifting. The rubber pad is designed to prevent slipping, which is a big deal when you're working with a heavy machine. The lift height is flexible too, ranging from 3.5 to 14.75 inches, making it versatile for different bike styles and maintenance tasks. Here's why this matters for you. A higher lifting capacity means you can confidently work on a variety of bikes without worrying about the jack failing. With no ratings yet, it's still new to the market, but its features suggest it's built to impress. A common complaint is that it might feel a bit less stable compared to heavier options. But honestly, if you're careful and use it as intended, it's perfectly fine for most tasks. This is perfect for you if you're a budget-conscious biker looking to maintain a few different bikes. Skip this one if you need something ultra-stable for professional use. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if you're looking for something with a little extra feature set, let's check out the final product. Product number 5, DNA Motoring Scissor Lift. Last but not least is the DNA Motoring Steel Motorcycle Lift, priced at $97.83. This jack promises a solid 1100 lb capacity with a lifting range from 3.7 to 14.8 inches. If you want something that offers reliability with added features, this might be the right fit. The rubber pad is thickened for extra grip, making sure your bike stays securely in place during lifts. The heavy-duty steel construction means it's built to last, and the wing design adds additional strength. It's portable, which means you can store it easily after use, making it a practical choice for home garages. Here's why this matters for you. The added stability and portability make it ideal for those who move their equipment around or have limited space. Plus, it's a great option for various types of bikes, from ATVs to cruisers, which has led to good sales numbers this month. That said, a few users mention that it can feel a bit heavy, which could be a hassle for transport. But honestly, if you're mainly using it at home, that's a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you like a jack that offers strong support without compromising on stability. Skip it if you need something lightweight and easy to carry around. For the features it offers, it's definitely worth the price. So to wrap it all up, we've got the Orion Motor Tech for reliability, Extreme Max for ease of use, CXRCY for strength, GAOLLY for budget-conscious riders, and DNA Motoring for stability. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the CXRCY because its versatility with a higher load capacity makes it ideal for various bikes. Avoid the Extreme Max if you need something that can lift trikes. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.